Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our expert will go over some of the top platforms for crowdfunding. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Module 2: Platforms for Crowdfunding. From entrepreneurs to businesses, to charities, or to normal individuals, crowdfunding has been the best option to seek financial assistance. There are a number of crowdfunding platforms to choose from, each providing services that can cater to your specific needs. Let's take a look at these platforms and learn what they can offer you. Kickstarter. Being the most popular platform to date, Kickstarter has gained its reputation for being the top crowdfunding site for helping tech and creative industries to fund their projects. As of October 2020, the company has raised over $5 billion in 189,000 plus dollar projects since its launch in 2009. It's easy to use. Set your goal and your date of completion. Kickstarter campaigns run an all-or-nothing format, which means that you won't receive your funds unless you reach the target amount. This also means that the donor's credit card will only be charged once you've met your goal. Creating a campaign is free, but you'll be charged a 5% fee, along with processing fees ranging from 3 to 5% per transaction. Indiegogo. Like Kickstarter, Indiegogo has paved its way to becoming one of the top platforms for crowdfunding campaigns. However, unlike Kickstarter, Indiegogo also offers flexible campaigns called in-demand, giving it an edge over competitors. Fixed campaigns like Kickstarter's projects have a big downside to those who have raised funds but hadn't met the target amount. However, with in-demand, Indiegogo allows businesses to continue raising their funds even after the campaign has ended. In-demand projects and other campaigns have a 5% platform fee, a 3% processing fee, with a minimum goal of $500. Crowdfunder. Launched in 2012, this platform solely focused on equity crowdfunding. It connects investors to startup entrepreneurs and provides opportunities for direct online investments into single ventures. Crowdfunder's users are usually investors that are looking for new business opportunities. Unlike other platforms that take a percentage of a company's profits, Crowdfunder charges a flat monthly fee of $299 a month for their starter plan and $499 a month for the premium plan. There are other crowdfunding platforms out there, such as GoFundMe, Patreon, and Causes, but they focus on other areas like personal community projects and charities, which are not relevant to your business. Before you sign up on any crowdfunding site, you have to make sure that your campaign details are clearly aligned with the platform, as it'll be first subject to approval. Not planning your details in advance can prevent you from starting your campaign right away. After you've chosen the crowdfunding type and platform you'll be using, you can now move on to creating your campaign. Most platforms have a straightforward, step-by-step process that will show you how to make the most of your platform's features. Some sites also provide assistance through downloadable guides or customer support. These resources are a big help, especially for first-time users. When setting a campaign, keep in mind these tips. Define your purpose. Why are you starting a crowdfunding campaign? Are you raising funds to launch a product or service, expand your business, or something else? This should be clearly explained in your campaign. Otherwise, no donors will support you. You should also define what you will do once the campaign is fully funded. This is especially important if you're producing tangible results, such as a new product or service. Share your story. There is a big chance that the majority of people seeing your campaign will have no clue who you are or what your company is. That is why storytelling is also crucial in campaigns. By sharing something about yourself, what you're doing, and why you're doing it, you can end up reaching their hearts and convince them that you're worth backing for. Pitch using multimedia. To attract potential donors, you need to have the right tools. Fortunately, there are a lot of tools that you can use to captivate people to support your campaign. This can be a combination of images, video, audio, and text. You can use an eye-catchy graphic as a thumbnail to make it more noticeable on social media. Then inside your campaign page, embed a video explaining the goals of your campaign and a compelling pitch on why they should support the project.